My brand new coffee maker, Black Decker, 12 cups. But it looks more fancy than the last one we had. So yeah, should be a good coffee maker, a brand new one. So press the buttons, everything. Looks cool. So I'll be unboxing this new coffee maker in just a moment. So this is what it looks like outside the box. As you can see, you can put the current time here, but we're not going to because we don't always have it plugged in. We put it away somewhere else so we can have this space to use to chopping for cooking or whatever else. Right, so that's what it looks like here. A lot of space it looks for the water. You can fill a bunch. Look at that big gallon. That glass. Big. That's a lot of coffee, y'all. A lot of coffee. And there it is. For days. For hours and hours of coffee. You can make the max of 12 cups or whatever of coffee. For the buttons, hours, minutes, on and off, prog and auto. Alright then, let's test it out, see how it works, y'all. And now, we're making coffee. It's going. And we actually put the time, y'all. Coffee is done. It's good. Thumbs up if you like this new coffee maker unboxing video. And vlog later. Good night, y'all.